What if governments worldwide suddenly banned yawning after a fake study claimed it spreads dangerous synchronized behavior? Within hours, mass arrests began. Offices, schools, and subway cars became enforcement zones. People got fined for involuntary yawns they couldn't control. Underground resistance groups formed in basements, creating secret yawn rooms. Sleep-deprived populations grew aggressive. Productivity crashed as workers fought natural reflexes. Black market yawn clubs appeared overnight. Doctors warned that suppressing yawns caused brain damage, but officials ignored them. Then came the ultimate irony. Reading news about the yawn ban triggered mass yawning worldwide. Enforcement became impossible. The law collapsed within days. One reflex defeated every government on Earth.